Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Alright, so in this video today, here I am at Home Goods looking at their seasonal stuff. Come on with me, guys. Now I am having an amazing time here at Home Goods. All of these decor pieces, it's like jam-packed in here. I love it. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the shopping trip. I'll see you at the end. How beautiful those pink nutcrackers and the Christmas trees. I am loving it. And look at that gemstone, the gem nutcracker. I just noticed that, guys. Gorgeous. So I am loving all of this bling. I cannot believe how beautiful it is in here. It's like a winter wonderland. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.